Hello creative friends and welcome to the Stampin' Squad. Today I've got a really cute card for you. I think that you are going to love this one. And the bundle I'm using today is the Attention Shoppers bundle. So we've got the Attention Shoppers stamp set and the Attention Shoppers dies. So these dies cut out many of the stamps, and then you can also die cut out a shopping cart. So we are going to use that today, and like I said, I think you're going to love this card. So let's talk about the pieces that we've got to put together here. This is a piece of lemon lime twist cardstock, and it is 9 3/4 by 4 1/4, and I have scored it at 5 1/2. So that's first. Now this is a piece of silver foil. This is an old piece. My goodness, it's probably 4 years old, but just look for the current silver foil. Or, you don't have to use silver foil. You can use any color that you want to. This is going to be for my shopping cart. And this piece is just 3 by 3 inches by 3 inches, just big enough to hold the dies. And then this is a piece of adhesive backing that I'm going to use today. I wanted to show you this. We used it at my stamp club a few weeks ago, and most of the ladies had not used it before and they really liked it, so we'll use it today. This is a piece of basic white, and it is 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. These pieces of designer series paper are from the Flowering Zinnias paper pack, and I'm saying zinnia, but I've also heard zinnia, so I don't know the right way to pronounce that. Maybe you can tell me. You can put the phonetic pronunciation in the comments for me. This piece is 1 1/4 inches by 4 inches. And this piece is 4 by 4. Yes, 4 inches, 4 inches. Then I've got a piece of glimmer paper. This is Old Olive. It's from a package that has Old Olive, Berry Burst, and white glimmer paper in it. And this is also 3 by 3, just big enough to hold my die. And then I've just got some little scraps of basic white that we're going to stamp on. So let's do that first. Let's go ahead and stamp. And put them here, and I'm just using my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm going to stamp first this bouquet of flowers, and then let's do the birthday cake, and I'm also going to do this bottled beverage. Now you can decide what you imagine this to be, whether it's an adult beverage or a family-friendly one. That is up to you. We are also going to stamp on this piece of basic white. It's going to be the inside of the card. So before I stamp, I'm going to adhere this so I know what my white space is, and I can put my stamp where I want it. Let me grab my green glue. This is a fun fold card. Anyway, I think it is. Anything that's not just your normal open like a book card, I call it a fun fold. So that's what we've got today. And it's one of my favorite ones because it's cute and easy. And you can use it with any paper or stamps that you like. So now this, we need to stamp. Oops, I've got a piece of backing from a dimensional there. Let's get that out of the way. All right. I am using the stamp that says Happy Birthday from that same stamp set. And I am just going to put it right up here in the corner. like that. Okay. Let's also go ahead, fold and burnish our card base. And adhere this to the inside. Whoops. Come back here. Okay. So we are almost very end of June 2024. And this month, Stampin' Up! Was giving us some really great deals on Stamp and Die bundles, which that is what I'm using. I'm using a Stamp and Die bundle today. Bundles are always 10% off. But this month, so just for a few more days, Stamp and Die bundles are an additional 10% off. So if those are on your list, if you've got some Stamp and Die bundles on your wish list, grab them before the end of the month to get an extra 10% off. They also have their cut and emboss machines, 10% off this month. So if you have not jumped into the wonderful world of die cutting, this is a great month to do that. Your machine will be 10% off, whether you buy the large one or the mini machine, and you can get some bundles for an additional 10% off. All right, so I kind of have my card put together there. Now let's do all the fun stuff. So I've got this piece of glimmer paper, and I am going to die cut it out, and I'm using this die, this circle die. It is from, let me grab it here, the Spotlight on Nature die set. And look at all these circles. Aren't they wonderful? With all the different patterns. All of those circles come in this die set. So I know I'm going to be using those a lot. All right, let's move this and this out of the way for just a second. I'm going to grab my mini machine. Let's see, let me make sure I'm in the frame for you here. Okay, so that just goes there. The die on top. And we'll put the top on. And we'll just run that through. There we go. And here's our circle. I love that paper. I always tell you guys, every time Stampin' Up! Comes out with glimmer paper, I buy it. It doesn't matter what color it is, I buy it because I love glimmer paper, and I know that a time is going to come when I want that particular color. So I'm just going to set that aside. Now let's talk about this silver foil and this adhesive backing. So there's a little split here where I can take this protective backing off. And I am just going to, I just got something on the front there. I'm just going to put this right here on the back. And then, let me grab the dies. We need the 2 pieces of our shopping cart. So these will fit nicely right on here. And then I would just run that through my die cutting machine again, okay? Now I've already done one, so let me grab it. Here it is. And so what I did was I just peeled the backing off of this lower part, and I peeled the backing only on the edges. So let me show you here, if I can get it to stand up a little bit. There we go. So you see this backing right here is still intact. So all I did was just lifted it up, used my scissors to cut right here, 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 right? I want to leave the backing right here because I want to be able to slip my items into my shopping cart, okay? So I don't want this part to be adhered down. So I left the backing all in here and took it off only on this side, this edge, bottom edge, and this side right here. So that part's sticky, this part is not. So let me grab this because I'm going to go ahead and put together my focal image. And at the end, I'm going to show you another one I did with a different color of glimmer paper. So there we go. I'm just going to really press that down. I'm going to use my bone folder to press it down well. There we are. So now it's adhered all the way around here, the edge, and this is adhered down. And this part underneath here is not. So the next thing is these images, we want to color them. And I'm not going to make you watch me color for the next 15 minutes. But I can show you some of the colors that I did use. I used some Bubble Bath, I used some Lemon Lolly, I used, let's see, some Berry Burst, some Petunia Pop, let's see, what else? Some Old Olive and some Lemon Lime Twist. So I just pulled a bunch of colors that I thought would look nice with the colors that are represented here. And I've already colored them for you. And I also die cut them out already. It'll save us a little bit of time today. So there are my gifts that are going to go in the little basket. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of this. And I'm going to slip it in here, right into my basket, like that. And I'm also going to put my birthday cake in there. So let's put a little glue on that. And slip it in. There we go. Make sure that it's inside my basket. And the last one is our beverage. So let's put it in as well. And I'm going to just slip it right down in there. There we are. And just kind of press those down so they're stuck to my paper. And there we have it. That's so cute. I'm going to use some dimensionals. So this has popped up a little bit on my card. Let's put one here. Oh, here. Here. You know, guys, I go crazy with the dimensionals. There we go. And now I showed you that adhesive backing that you can use, but you don't have to use that. I mean, I made a few of these cards now, and the first couple I made, I just used my glue. You just have to be careful and use the tiniest little bit. Doesn't take much. Now this is going to go on here. Hang around for a minute. I got a different color for you. Okay. There we go. Adorable. Who could resist? That is so cute. I love all these little items. Remember, besides the 3 that I chose, there's also a little potted plant and there's a gift bag. So those are options as well. If you didn't care for the ones that I chose today, let me show you this other color. I think you're going to love it. There we go. I used the Berry Burst glimmer paper on this one. So let me know what you like better, Berry Burst or Old Olive. and tell me which of the items you would put in your shopping cart. All right, thanks so much for watching today. I will be back again soon with another tutorial. Bye-bye.